Easy-to-open super flat buckle. Band made for a customer with 9.5-inch wrist. We are USA Survival Paracord World. Our survival watch bands are crafted right here in the United States. We specialize in creating custom survival bands for a wide range of brands, and they can be fitted just like a standard watch band. This band is adjustable and provides an additional inch for enhanced comfort. Installation is straightforward. Simply utilize your watch's regular spring bars or strap screws. Compatible with numerous Casio models, our bands offer exceptional comfort and serves as an ideal replacement for your original strap. We offer a wide selection of colors and a variety of buckles. Allow us to create the perfect band tailored just for you. To check out our store, click on the link found in the description below. Subscribe to our channel for the latest product news and creative band concepts.